I'd like to highlight some of the differences between this Brother PE800 model embroidery machine and the 770. You'd think there's not a big difference. Just looking at them on the surface, there's not a big difference. Essentially, everything from the floor, the hoop, and the attachment is exactly the same. There are a little bit of difference in the threader, and there's a lot of difference in the route. It's much more efficient in the 800, and that's a big difference. The next difference is in the buttons, slightly different places for the buttons here. You can see where the buttons for the 800 would have been here, so negligible difference. The screen, though, is the biggest difference. And while this one is dead, it's for parts now. I can't turn it on. This one has 10 million stitches in it. This was a black and white, looked like an old calculator screen. Your buttons were down here, and that's all you had. The PE800 has a color screen. The buttons are down here, and you can navigate once you get into a pattern. As you can see on these some of the free samples that come with it, you're going to get a color version of the work that you're working on. So much easier to deal with colors with the 800, and a much bigger screen, and it's a touch screen. So a nice upgrade in the 800. Threading it is almost exactly the same, but it's a lot easier in the 800 than the old system was in the 700. The 700 is a capable machine. They're both the 5x7 hoops, so they can both take care of a lot of business. In fact, they use the exact same hoop, but if you had to start from scratch, I'd go with the 800. If you could save money or get a used or refurbished one, the 770 is a worthy one. I got 10 million stitches out of this one. 2 million heading into 3 million stitches with this one. Hope this helps.